Career Central is your personal gateway for career services, workshops, events, internships and employment opportunities. We're really dedicated to ensuring that you have the right skills, knowledge and tools to manage a successful career here in Australia and globally. From day one, our focus has always been on student outcomes. In our academic internship program, you have the opportunity to contextualise your classroom learning in a real-world working environment. In fact, 1 in 3 students who complete an academic internship go on to secure ongoing paid employment. The internships that we facilitate allow you to work alongside some of Australia's most dynamic brands and business leaders. We pride ourselves on thoroughly preparing you for the world of work, and our network across Australia introduces you to a broad range of internship and employment opportunities. We understand the employment market challenges faced by many graduates, and that's why our Career Central support does not finish when you end your degree. Upon graduating, you will become a lifelong member of our KBS alumni community and have continued access to our Career Central team.
Online KBS students have access to all the same career services as our face-to-face students. We can help you craft a powerful LinkedIn profile to help you stand out in this competitive marketplace. Your career development is an organic process. It is incredibly important that you start engaging with us early on throughout your study period. A student who graduated 2 years ago was heavily engaged through careers throughout her complete study period. I remembered her. So when a job came up in the field that she wanted to be in, I could easily refer her, and she's now working in this field for this company of her desire. And she is extremely happy and blossoming.